This is a 2021 SmokerCraft 172 ProAngler XL. Under 10 hours on your Mercury, 115 horsepower. This fishing boat is all set up, rod holders everywhere, Humminbird, Helix 5, Bluetooth stereo, convenient rod storage, flip up seats, the other side flips up as well for 3 more seats in the rear of the boat. Live wells throughout. Movable fishing seat for the front or the rear. Comes with a Minn Kota iPilot. Matching trailer with a swing tongue. This 17-foot fishing boat is ready for the water. 2021 SmokerCraft 172 ProAngler XL.